Hi, I'm Tanya June Moore, and I work with Sedona Centric, and we're part of the Sedona Media Services. And the great thing about being here in Sedona is that we live here, and we know where all the best spots are. So if you are going to have your event here in beautiful Red Rock country, guess who you want to be on your team to stream it live back to all your people back home or anywhere else in the world that they want to tune in. You can come to us. We will take care of everything. Not only do we have multi-camera setups, we have social media, aerial drone footage, we have boosters to get your signal out anywhere, and we test all of these for you so we can assure you that if you want to go live on the internet, we can take care of it. Not only that, we have professional editing services that will make your event, whether it's a wedding or a corporate event, or you're doing a retreat out in the middle of nowhere, we can edit that footage down to make it something everybody wants to see and that you can market later on or just keep for your files. So, call Sedona Media Services. Let us take care of all your videography needs.